Good morning, students of class 7. Hope you have completed all your work, that is worksheets and classwork, in time of unit 1 and 2. Now today we would start with the unit 3, which is fiber to fabric. By the end of the lesson, you would be able to understand these topics. What is wool? Animals that yield wool. From fibers to wool. Processing fibers into wool. What is silk? Life history of silk moth. From cocoon to silk. In class 6, you have learned about two types of fibers. Natural fibers and man-made or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers. Cotton and jute are example of fibers obtained from plants. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from fleece of sheep or goat. Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. Second is man-made or synthetic fiber. Fibers which are made from chemical substance which are not obtained from plants and animals are called synthetic fibers. Example, polyester, nylon, etc. Do you know which part of the sheep's body yields fibers? Are you aware how these fibers are converted into the woolen yarn that we buy from the market to knit the sweaters? Do you have any idea how silk fibers are made into silk, which is woven into the saris? In this chapter, we shall try to find all this question. We would start with the first topic, that is wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece, from the hair of sheep, goat, camel, yak, rabbit, llama, alpaca and other animals. These animals have a thick coat of hair on their bodies because the hair traps air and air is a poor conductor of heat. So thick layer of hair keeps their body warm and protects them from harsh cold. For obtaining wool, animals are reared and then hair is cut and processed into wool. Feel the hair on your body and arms and those on your head. Do you find any difference? Which one seems coarse and which one is soft? Like us, the hairy skin of sheep has two types of fibers that form its fleece. Fleece and wood-bearing animals like sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. bear the two types of hairs. First is coarse beard hair and second fine soft underhair close to their skin. The fine soft underhair of animal like sheep, goat, etc. is called fleece. Animals having fine soft hair on their body are called wool-bearing animals. The fine hair provides the fibers for making wool. Some breeds of sheep possesses only fine hair. Their parents are specifically chosen to give birth to sheep which have only soft underhair. This process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring, such as soft underhair in sheep, is termed as selective breeding. Several breeds of sheep Next is animals that yield the wool. Which are the different animals that yield the wool? We have already studied. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. Yak wool is common in Tibet and in Ladakh. However, this fleece of sheep is not only the source of wool. Though wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool, mohair is obtained from Angora goat, found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Wool is obtained from goat hair. The underfur of Kashmiri goat is soft. It is woven into the fine shawls called pashmina shawls. The hair of the body of camels is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca found in South America also yield wool. Now read this topic from textbook.